Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add dispersion pole, the new effect from CapCut, and Pro effect from CapCut to your videos or to your photos in CapCut PC. So first you can select your videos or photos you like to edit, and for example go to effect and you can find Pro effect and new Pro effect. Dispersion bulb just add the track and change for the version like so you can change for the option right here, the color, speed and years, final effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. So much for watching.